A single, unemployed millennial with no friends and way too many hobbies. Welcome to my cozy little corner on YouTube. I'm sharing vlogs of my different hobbies weekly. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to not miss anything. On today's episode, I'm continuing upcycling an old jean. This is part 2 of turning a jean pants into a bag. You can watch part 1 from here. Also, the details will be in the description box. Today I'm finishing the pockets. I already mentioned that I need more than one pockets in my bag. I already talked a lot about my jean bag in part 1. So, on today's episode, I decided to talk about one of my other hobbies, which is watching K-dramas. We will be discussing particularly the drama that I recently finished watching, the most praised K-drama in history, Mouse. I wanted to watch this drama for a while. Every time I see a K-drama review on social media, the comment section was full of mouse suggestions. So naturally, I was filled with very high expectations. We all know and love Lee Seung-gi. He is a fantastic actor. I first saw him in Vagabond, which was a great drama, and I believe him to be a very good actor. But honestly, my favorite performance in Mouse wasn't even his. For me, the actor Lee Hee-jun, who played the detective, completely stole the show. His acting felt so real, and he's the reason I watched through the very end. Here is the thing though, I'm sorry to say this, but I think Mouse might be a little overhyped. From episode 1, I already had a strong guess about who the killer was, and I turned out to be right. I know a lot of you probably figured it out in the early episodes too. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying Mouse is bad. It's a solid drama. The plot was good, the acting was great, and the concept was very interesting. But I was hoping for something that would keep me completely in the dark until the very end of the big reveal. I know most of you would disagree, but just hear me out before you get mad, okay? Even the drama called Behind Your Touch, which is a comedy crime drama, managed to surprise me more with its serial killer twist. I didn't figure that one out until episode 15. And that's because the writers didn't want us to figure it out. And remember, most K-dramas have 16 episodes only. This isn't the first time I've got dissatisfied with the so-called twists of a drama over the reviews. I remember watching The Usual Suspects after hearing, "You'll never guess the ending, it's mind-blowing." And of course, that made me consider every possibility as an overthinker, so when the ending came, I wasn't shocked at all. Sometimes, hype ruins the surprise because it makes you search for the craziest outcome possible. When I started to watch Mouse, I expected an insanely unpredictable story, especially with such a strong first episode. Right from the opening scene, we get the discovery of the psychopath gene, and the serial killer is caught almost immediately. That's a huge, intense start. It made me think the drama would only keep getting better and better, but it didn't. The twists in the plot made the drama look cringe, like Pandora. There were too many twists that made it very difficult to keep up with the story. It's one of the K-dramas that I don't recommend you to ever watch it. Ooh, I got a call from a friend who was in the neighborhood, so I paused my sewing machine and stepped outside for some fresh air. Okay, let's keep going. Maybe I'm just hard to impress. I watch too many dramas and movies with amazing plot twists. For example, Korean films like Parasite and Forgotten. Those truly shocked me. I had no idea where the story was going, and that was impressive. Or the English series, Behind Her Eyes. That one left me completely speechless. Overall, Mouse was good, but for me, it wasn't in the top tier category of unpredictable twists. But that's just my opinion. I want to hear from you. What dramas or movies have plot twists that completely caught you off guard? Share your recommendations in the comments so I can add them to my watch list. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, comment your thoughts and hit the bell button so you won't miss part 3 of finishing this lovely bag.